The Mary Pickford is a classic rum-based cocktail named after the silent film actress Mary Pickford. It is a sweet and refreshing drink known for its vibrant pink color. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces light rum. A good quality light rum will enhance the flavor. 1 ounce pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice is best, but canned works in a pinch. Half an ounce maraschino liqueur. Adds a sweet, cherry-like flavor. 1/4 of an ounce grenadine, for that signature pink hue. 1 maraschino cherry, for garnish. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, martini glass, measuring jigger, ice. Here are the instructions. Add light rum, pineapple juice, maraschino liqueur, and grenadine to a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker with ice. Shake thoroughly until well chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini glass. Garnish with a maraschino cherry. The Mary Pickford cocktail was created in the 1920s in Havana, Cuba, and is named after the famous silent film actress of the same name. It remains a popular choice among classic cocktail enthusiasts.